Hi there, it's Martine. I am about to have my awesome raw meal. Here I got spiralized cucumber, and as you can see, I cut them large, and I also did the angel hair thin slice, and I also did my carrots. So this is my meal, and I'm very excited about it. But what's really cool is I wanted to share how awesome my food is, because when I first found out, well, I didn't first find out, but this particular fact I found out when I was in Texas, and I had 2 cats living with me for a while. So one day I was juicing watermelon, and I had cut the pieces, and they were on my counter, and my cats took one of my watermelon parts, and they just began to go at it. So I found out that cats love watermelon. My cats did. And then after that, I began to give them fruits, and they totally love fruits. But the other cool thing is I began to spiralize vegetables just like this. Like I did cucumbers. I did a large plate of cucumbers that I spiralized. And my cats tore it up completely. And I was really shocked. I was like, animals, carnivores can eat vegetables, that's really crazy. So even animals know what's healthy, and that's really awesome. But the other cool thing is I was out here this morning, and my dogs were climbing me. I got here Bella and Midnight. There he is. So I was about to have me some carrots, and I decided, I'm like, let me see if they would go for the carrots. And they went crazy when I gave them the carrots. I almost put the plate down, but then they wanted to take my plate, which means I would have had to make my meal all over again. So I wanted to show you. This is really cool. So maybe we could feed our pets too healthy stuff. It's like every living thing just loves God's best in food. And so this is really cool. I want to show you. This is my dog Bella. And that's Midnight. Okay. There you go. Cool. That was really cool. Want to try some more? Here. Here. That's really cool. I love you guys. Here. Get it. Get it. Get it. They love it. So there it is. Oh. Now I'm about to go tear this up. So it's yummy. And I'm about to tear it up. Bye. It was just a cool fact that I wanted to share. God's best is truly best for everyone. Have a great day. Bye.